to like and subscribe. Today I'm going. My mom has already unboxed this box, but then we still have one more. We're going to open this carnival of candy canes. So, let's start now.
Where's the glue? Where's the glue?
And then I'm going to. Oh, there's another one over here. We're going to need to cut it. Let's see if it can go out now. Oh, there's a little bit of tape. I need to. Oh, there's a lot of it. I can cut it off. There's another tape over here that we need to cut.
Where's glue?
Well, it's kind of silly. There's nothing over here. But, let's see. Let's see if we can open this. Oh, there's kind of a tape over here. Well, we need to cut it.
You guys wanna?
Oh, there are some strings. Cut. Some strings.
cockroaches. Mama, I think we should go to Ohio. Mama, do you live with the cockroaches? Then why is it your brave on them?
I'm sure we're going to.
Nasi. Ini apa? Wih.
Oh no, just do it.
We're supposed to take this upstairs. I think I can. Let me try. They all look the same.
Sikat sekali.
Be quiet!
Okay, I'm supposed to see it's in the middle of the exam. Breakfast. But I think they're in the middle there. So first,
Go to the rock.
What do you want for eating later? I have to order now.
I want some.
American breakfast?
Yes. American breakfast for dinner. There's something more important than videoing our life right now. Show what life is important.
I think I like the same as Avon.
Okay, same.
was your time? Oh, what's works?
Not me, this is
originates from its resemblance to something. Uses its prominent ear-like fins that help move through the water.
star over here.
Dumbo octopuses live in the
Hmm.
deep ocean
And then
4,000 meters to a deep 7,000 meters, making this group the deepest known octopuses in the world. And because of this, Dumbo octopuses have some very interesting adaptations.
Try illegal gadgets that will get you arrested. Try those police lights. As long as you think they might work on your custom family car, you're going to have a hard time explaining that to the cops from illegal imaging. For it will be still like that.
and then
It's just like that. But the fact that it looks like a real gun means you're guaranteed to get in trouble. Three is a 50,000 milliwatt handheld laser, which is actually so powerful that it's half playing and killing a laser. It's more ingenious in your eye. Or, then the stun gun phone case, which, while it has been intentional trying to protect your screen, the fact that this simple case can deliver 7 times the pain that a normal stun gun can, has understandably made it illegal in several US states and many countries. And number one, gives you all the functionality of a power rifle. Have fun reading this to
also like this and okay, so let's see how much they rate. I heard it. They said they all love it. Bye.